Plants' habitats. Where can we find plants? Plants will grow in different places as long as they have access to air, sunlight, and water. Plants have different characteristics. Plants grow in a habitat. Some of you probably have seen plants on hills and plants on plains. Plants found at different places survive in different climates and soils. The process of transformation in a living being for its survival in its environment is called adaptation. Every plant adapts to survive in its natural home. The natural home of a living being is called its habitat. Types of plant habitats could be divided into terrestrial habitats and aquatic habitats. Terrestrial habitats means habitats found on land such as deserts, hills, marshes, plains, forests, grasslands, and coastal regions. Plants that grow on land or in any of these terrestrial habitats are called terrestrial plants. Some of the plants also live on the trees or the buildings. Aquatic habitats means habitats found in water, such as ponds, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Plants that grow in water or in any of these aquatic habitats is called as the aquatic plants. Aquatic plants can be floating plants, fixed plants, or underwater plants. Floating plants are not fixed with the mud and remain freely on the water. While underwater plants are the plants that grow completely underwater, such as the water hyacinth, waterlily, and hydrilla.